Okay, another Math Olympiad question. Find the value of A equals 2021 times the quantity 2022 raised to 2021 plus 2022 raised to 2020 plus 2022 raised to 2019 up to 2022 square plus 2023 and then plus 1. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So here are the choices. Okay, so let's solve this. So as we can see in this part, we all have base of 2022. So all the base are equal to 2022. For the last part, we have 2023. We can break this into 2022 plus 1. And then this one can be written as 20. We can write this as 2022 to the 0. And now let's look at the exponent. We have 2021. It became 2020, 2019. So the exponent decreases up to 0. So therefore, we have sum of geometric progression. So we have sum of geometric progression. So we can use the formula for sum of geometric progression. S sub n equals a sub 1, so the first term, times r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So we can rewrite this. We can rewrite this into the first term. Let's rewrite this as the first term as 1. The second term is 2022. The third term is the 2022 square up to the last term, 2022 raised to 2021. So that we can easily determine the number of terms. So what is the number of terms? Just look at the exponent. We start with 0 and end up with 2021. So that means the number of terms is 2022 because we have 0 here. Okay? And then our R, the common ratio is 2022. Because from 1, we multiply 2022. And then multiply again 2022, it will become 2022 square. Multiply again by 2022, we can have 2022 cube up to 2022 raised to 2021. Okay? So just substitute to this formula. The first term is this 2022 raised to 0. So that is 1. Then just substitute to this. So we have S sub n is equal to the first term is 1. The first term is 1. And then we have r to the n. So r is 2022. The value of n is again 2022. And then subtract 1. The denominator is r minus 1. So we have 2022 minus 1. Okay? So now, so all of this is just the 2022 raised to 2021 up to the 2023. So we can write the 2021. So multiply all of this term by 2021 by 2021. And then we have plus 1 here. So plus 1. So that is now the value of A. Okay? So let's now simplify. So this 20, we can just remove this one. 2022 minus 1. So this is now 2021. We can cancel this 2021 divided by 2021. That is equal to 1. So we have left with 2022 raised to 2021 minus 1 and then plus 1. We can cancel again the negative 1 and the positive 1. Therefore, the value of A is 2022 raised to 2022, which is letter A. That's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and see you on my next video about Math Olympiad. Bye-bye and God bless.